How to apply discount codes on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Head towards any of the item that you want to purchase. So I'm going to purchase this phone case. Once you select the item, select the details of it. Then click on Buy Now. You will land to the checkout page. Once you're in the checkout page, select your shipping address, likewise shipping method. Then scrolling down, you have to select the payment method. Then you will see this option of apply coupon code. Click on that option. Now here you're going to find this box where you can apply your discount code. Just type in your discount code and then click on apply. Likewise, scroll down. Check all the details of your product. Then click on submit order. With that, the discount code will be applied to your purchase and you'll get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, another way to use your discount code is head back, head towards the U tab. Now navigate to the option of coupon and offers. At the very top, you're gonna see this box. Over here, you can type in your discount code and then click on apply. Well, this way you can easily apply discount codes on Temu app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.